Well, welcome back to Desert Chat, Rafi, and welcome Candy Sr. and Candy the Third, because we're talking all things date. Now, for 77 years, this date festival has been really world-renowned, and this year you said it's more dates, more dates, more dates.
Oh, absolutely. We've got more dates in more ways than one. First of all,
Nice.
we've got a whole new weekend, so 3 full weekends starting February 13th of the fair. But we also have over 40 different date food items.
Wow,
So you can
nice.
come and enjoy over 40 different unique items. We even have a map and a food checklist that you can use to wander around and enjoy as you want to. So
I
all
like
kinds
it.
of things, from deep fried dates, beer battered corn dogs, our famous cinnamon rolls, and of course, the
date.
classic date shake.
The date shake.
Oh.
I tell you, the fragrance here is just killing me. And Candy Sr., I know you said you've been in the business a long time.
Yes, we've been in the business for 30 years.
Wow. And what is it that makes the Coachella Valley really the perfect area for growing dates?
The weather, the heat. Yeah. The dates need 100 days of 100-degree weather or better to mature.
Okay, so Candy the Third, you kind of just got into the business and knew that this was going to be something that you would get involved in?
Not from the start, but it kind of ended up that way, and,
Yeah.
and I wouldn't change it.
So Candy and Candy actually will be able to see you out at the fair with your dates, right?
Yes.
That's fantastic. And where can our viewers get information if they want to know more about Candy's dates?
At candysdates.com, you'll find a little bit of blurb about the family, the farm, how we started, where you can find us, and then the varieties that we grow.
Well, it is always a wonderful festival. I love it. As you said, there are so many opportunities to taste so many unusual ways that dates can be repurposed. Like you said, the date syrup on the deep fried dates. And this was, what was this again, Candy?
Date spread.
Date spread. Oh, delicious, delicious. And of course, all of the beautiful dates that grow right in our valley. Some of them are dressed up with coconut and nuts, and
Yes.
it's so important for visitors and locals alike to appreciate the fact that this is really a big deal for our valley.
Understanding that it's, a signature crop of the Coachella Valley really hits home that, it is something that we are super proud of, and not just the dates, but the fair as well.
Absolutely. Well, let's remind our viewers where they can get more information, tickets, and again, those dates.
Yep, if they are gonna come, make sure you get those tickets before February 13th when we open. You can get them at datefest.org for that discounted price before February 13th.
Perfect. Well, I'm probably going to grab this date shake, but
Okay.
thanks for bringing it. We'll see you at the festival. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.